Can you really feed your entire family with $5 per day? If you can spare less than a minute, I will show you dinners that's both delicious and affordable, and meals that'll leave your taste buds singing without leaving your wallet crying. First stop, a classic, spaghetti aglio e olio, a simple combination of garlic, olive oil, and pasta. Its secret lies in its simplicity, making it a tasty and economical choice. Next, we visit the world of lentils, a hearty lentil soup, packed with nutrients, full of flavor, and perfect for those colder evenings. Not to mention that lentils have strong anti-aging properties you don't want to miss out, ladies. Ever tried a frittata? This versatile egg-based dish can be filled with whatever you have on hand: cheese, vegetables, or even leftovers. Last but not least, rice. You can cook rice in so many ways that are affordable and delicious. This risotto alla milanese from Lydia Bastianich is a classic Italian recipe made with rice, beef stock, saffron, onions, shallots, butter, white wine, and Parmesan cheese. Remember, a tight budget doesn't mean compromising on taste. With a little creativity, you can whip up a gourmet meal for less than $5. Bon appetit!